The Legend of Pinya. Once upon a time, there lived a mother and her daughter in a faraway place. The mother was Aling Rosa, and the daughter was Pinang. Aling Rosa loved her only child very much. That's why Pinang grew up spoiled. The mother wanted Pinang to learn housework, but Pinang always justified that she already knew how to do what her mother taught her. So one day, Aling Rosa got sick. She couldn't get up and do her housework. She ordered Pinang to cook porridge. Pinang cooked the porridge, but neglected it because she was playing. The porridge stuck to the pot and burned. Aling Rosa just had to be patient. Her daughter was able to serve her somehow. Aling Rosa's illness lasted a long time, so Pinang was forced to do the housework. One day, while she was cooking, she couldn't find the match. She asked her mother where it was. Another time, she was looking for the ladle. That's how it happens. There was nothing he couldn't see, and he immediately asked his mother. Aling Rosa was annoyed by her daughter's questions, so she said, "Oh, Pinang, I wish you had many eyes so you could see everything and you wouldn't ask me questions anymore." Because she knew that her mother was angry, Pinang didn't say anything. She left to look for the spoon she was looking for. That night, Pinang wasn't home. Aling Rosa was worried. She called her daughter, but no one answered. She was forced to get up and prepare food. After a few days, Aling Rosa was completely well. She looked for Pinang. She asked the neighbors if they had seen her daughter, but Pinang disappeared like a bubble. Aling Rosa never saw Pinang again. One day, Aling Rosa saw a plant in her yard. She didn't know what kind of plant it was. She took good care of it until it bore fruit. Aling Rosa was amazed to see the shape of its fruit. It was shaped like a human head and surrounded by eyes. Suddenly, Aling Rosa remembered the last thing she had said to Pina, that she wished she had many eyes to see what she was looking for. Aling Rosa cried silently and felt great regret because what she had said to her daughter had had an effect. She took good care of the plant and called it Pinang, and as people passed it around, Pinang became Pinya. The Legend of Pinya.